In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use motion graphics in HeyGen. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can add dynamic movement and on-brand captions to your videos with confidence. First, open HeyGen in your browser. You'll land on the home area where you can access your projects and tools. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Avatar. This takes you into the space where your avatar assets and recent avatar-driven projects are organized, which makes it easy to pick up right where you left off. Next, head to the Recents section. This is a quick way to find your latest work without digging through folders. Look for the video you want to enhance and click on it. That opens the editor where you'll see your canvas in the center and controls around it. Give the page a moment to load so all your project elements are visible and responsive. Inside the editor, click directly on the avatar in your scene. Selecting the avatar activates its specific controls and options. This is important because motion features are tied to the avatar layer, not the background or captions, so make sure that blue outline or selection indicator is on the avatar itself. Now choose Motion Engine. This is where the motion graphics magic happens for your avatar performance. Motion Engine adds more natural movement, expressive gestures, and smoother transitions, which instantly makes your video feel more lifelike and engaging. If you're narrating a product demo or a training clip, this enhanced motion helps keep viewers' attention and improves clarity through subtle human-like emphasis. After enabling it, glance at the preview to confirm your avatar updates as expected. If your device is under heavy load, give it a second. Motion rendering can briefly take more resources. With the performance set, let's make your on-screen text match the polish of your visuals. Click on Captions in the editor controls. Captions not only improve accessibility, they also act like motion graphics. Time text that animates in sync with your narration adds rhythm and structure to your message. From here, choose Brand Kit Styles. Selecting a brand kit applies your saved colors, fonts, and text treatments to captions automatically, keeping everything consistent with your visual identity. This is especially useful for teams producing multiple videos. You get professional on-brand motion text without manually styling each line. If you already have captions visible, you'll see the look update immediately in the preview. Check contrast and size so the text is readable against your background. And that's it. You've opened your project, selected your avatar, enabled Motion Engine for expressive movement, and applied brand kit styles to your captions for clean, animated text that matches your brand.